Now we are going to look at few options from the insert menu. Let me go to insert menu, and this session we are going to look at how to insert the picture, how to insert the shape and insert the 3D model or smart art, or how to take the screenshot. So we are going to see these options. Okay, so let me start with first insert a picture. Just click. So now I want to insert this picture. Let me choose this, insert. It's very simple to insert picture. It's a very simple one. You can do it. And next one, I want to insert online. Even if you want to insert anything from the online, and that also possible. You can click this, you go to online, and you can choose whatever picture you want from the online. So that is also work. And then shapes. Let me come to the shapes. The last 3D model. So 3D model, I don't have anything here, so let me open from online source. Let me pick this fish, insert. It takes some time. Let's wait. It's kind of 3D effects. Okay, so 3D movable effects. It's loading. So now you can see here. Okay, so you can keep this. There are a lot of effects available in the online, so you can choose whatever you want, whatever suits for your process or projects. And then smart art. Smart art is generally used to create a hierarchy. So here there are lists in case if you want to make a list, or if you want to make any process structure, or you want to make a circle or a relation or hierarchy. Okay, let me show you hierarchy. It's very simple. Okay, let me pick this. Okay, so this is the hierarchy structure. If you see, top level, and this is the next level, under this 3 level. Okay, so to make changes, so let me take CEO. Okay, so and the second tab, CFO, and the third tab, EVP. 1, EVP 2, and EVP 3. Okay, in case if you want to add another person under EVP. Okay, so here, so just a right click, go to show text panel. So this is the text panel. So either you can directly update here, also you can directly update in the text panel. So now I want one more person, EVP 3. Okay, so now I'll select this, I'll copy and paste. So nothing but right click, copy, and Control V for paste. So now I have 4 person, but I don't want this person under the same level, and this person should be the VP. It should come under VP 3. So just go here, space, sorry, just select and tap. So that person will move to next level. Similarly, I want 2 more person under VP1. First, copy paste, Control C, Control V. Then just press, select this box, tap. So it will go under 1. Again from here, you can copy and paste. You get 2 people are under VP, EVP. So here I'll say VP1, VP2, or I'll say VP HR, VP IT. Okay, like this also you can give name. Here also I can change VP legal. Okay, so you can also insert a picture. Okay, so now I'll go here, just double click on the image, choose from file. Let me go to pictures. I think I have some sample pictures. So I'll take a CEO and right click, CFO and right click, sorry, double click. From file, EVP. You can also pick from online. Let me try. Sorry, from online pictures. Let me search Microsoft EVP. So I get this person, just click, see, now you got the person. So you can add the feature. So this is creating the hierarchy using SmartArt. And let's go to screenshot. So how to get a screenshot? So click screenshot, and whatever file which are open currently, so those those files will appear like I have this data. Okay, I want to take a screenshot. Just take this. See, the entire sheet has been taken screenshot. Delete this. In case if you want to take only the specific item, that is also possible. So now I want to take only this table to be updated here as a screenshot. So now what I'll do, insert screenshot. So you can choose screen clipping. So then you can drag whatever you want. I want only till this. So now you can see here only the portion updated here. Okay, now let's look at the shapes. Let me create a new sheet. So now we created a hierarchy structure using SmartArt. So we can do the same thing using shapes also. Okay, let's go to insert shapes. So let me pick this. Okay, after creating, you can choose whatever design you want. So I want this, right click, edit text. Let's make it CEO. Okay, so now I want this to be center. Just go here, center, alignment. It's a basic alignment only. I'll make it bold. If I want, I can increase the size also. Okay, so then next one, copy paste this. CFO, and then EVP, EVP 1, EVP 2, EVP 3. And under this I'll have VP, VP1, let me copy paste, VP2, I'll copy paste this again. Here also I have VP1. Okay, so now I'm going to connect everything using arrows. So you can change your color. So whatever, first level I'll have this color, second level go to shapes, I'll have blue color, On third level I can keep different color for EVPs, make it green, and fourth level I'll make it green. Okay, so you can change the color. So now again go to insert shapes. So I want arrow, so let me choose this straight arrow. I'm going to connect from CEO to CFO. So if you see, the arrow is crossed because both are not in the same line. So you have to just move the boxes, then it will be aligned. So now I need to connect CFO to all the VP. Insert shapes, take this, just hold here and drag till here. Always try to keep on the circle, so then only it gets linked. Even if you move, the link will not break. Again I'll pick the arrow. Okay, start with the circle. Again end also should be in the circle. Again I'll take one more. Now this I'll take a straight one. So if you see here, it's not connected properly. Sorry, let me do it again. From this to this. Okay, so now I connected all the three. So now I want to connect EVP to two VPs. So I'll take this, I'll connect to VP2. Similarly I'll do it for VP1. Okay, again here okay. So in case if you want to increase the thickness of the line, you can select all the lines, you can increase the thickness. This is a design for the line. Once you select it, it will appear automatically. So I want to make it blue. Okay, and also if I move this, since all are linked, I think this is not linked. See, even if I move, the link will not break. So here also, if I move also, the link will not break. See, because all are connected. Hope you understood the session. Let's move to next option.